Hello and welcome. In this video I will show you how to add your HUAWEI Nova 13 to a lost database on the IMEI.info website. So first you will have to find your email address. You can do it before it gets lost or stolen, just by typing this in your phone app and dialing this number. It will get you the email number right away. And now you can type this result here in the IMEI.info website. So let's just do that. And here you will find some basic information about your phone, as well as the lost advice ads. So let's press that. And here you'll have to input your serial number, email, city, email, phone, price, country, description, stuff like that, and report lost stolen email. And if something is, you can also later check in the database if the phone was added to here, and you'll get some information after, as you can see, what happens if it gets found. So if you enjoyed this video and considered it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.